Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AWS certifications, a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to elevate their career in cloud computing. Whether you're just starting out or aiming for the top, AWS has a certification path for you. So, let's break it down. Starting with the foundational category, kicking things off with the Cloud Practitioner Certification. This entry-level credential is perfect for beginners. It provides a broad overview of AWS services, pricing, and basic architecture. It's like the ABCs of AWS, essential for building a strong foundation in cloud computing. Now, let's move up the ladder to the Associate category. In the Associate category, we have 4 certifications: SysOps Administrator, Developer, Solutions Architect, and Data Engineer. These certifications cater to specific roles within AWS. SysOps administrators focus on system operations, developers on coding and deployment, solutions architects on system design, and data engineers on, you guessed it, data. Each of these certifications validates your expertise in a particular domain, and together, they form a powerful trio for building a solid AWS career. Now, let's talk about the professional category. We have 2 certifications here: Professional Solutions Architect and DevOps Engineer. These certifications are designed for seasoned professionals who want to take their skills to the next level. Solutions architects focus on designing complex systems, while DevOps engineers specialize in the efficient collaboration between development and operations teams. A perfect combo for driving innovation within your organization. And now, for the specialists. In the specialty category, we have a diverse range of certifications to choose from, including Advanced Networking, Database, SAP on AWS, Machine Learning, Security, and Data Analytics. These certifications allow you to carve out a niche for yourself, showcasing your expertise in highly specialized areas of AWS. Whether you're into securing cloud environments or optimizing databases, there's a certification tailored just for you. In summary, AWS certifications offer a roadmap for professionals at every stage of their cloud journey. Whether you're laying the groundwork with Cloud Practitioner or reaching new heights with professional certifications, AWS has you covered. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and subscribe for more AWS insights. Stay tuned for our next video.